I have so many packages and I'm not even sure what's in that. Probably dresses. Let's open them and figure it out. Oh, and I have a few small things, so let's start with that first. So for my birthday, Eden and Emily got me socks and bows. Mint and pink and white socks. Exactly my colors. So this one is a dog. This one is also a dog. And this one is an alpaca. So cute, oh my god. Obviously, they are for summer and not for November when I'm opening this. I might not use them right away, but they're so cute, oh my god. Thank you so much. And it came in that super cute pouch. I'm not sure what to put in it, but maybe like brushes or pens or things like that. And you probably know that I have a dress that is all pastel rainbow parade from my brand Fluffitory. And so Emily bought these, I think on AliExpress. She had some and she also bought them for me now. This one has a lavender star and this one silver heart. I'm not sure if I want to keep that and maybe change by something, but the sides are super cute. Eden has his own brand of jewelry and sometimes he buys charms or keychains or something to make hearts of them, and he had a rainbow one and I was like, oh my god, it's so pretty, and said, I have a mint and pink one for sale. So obviously I had to take it. It's gorgeous. It's mint bear with the pink details and he said hug me on it. It's so perfect. I'm looking forward to wear it. It's big. Usually those things are kind of tiny, so I'm happy. Okay, so now let's look at more things. So this is a big dress. It's so heavy, oh my god. This is also probably a small thing that we can't open now. I think this is a Sanrio dress, so exciting. This one is a head accessory, a cardigan for me and a dress for my friends. And this one is actually a collab and I will do a full separate video with that. Let's start with that. I was struggling to get fluffy rainbow pom-poms. Those are kind of, all of them have different colors. This is kind of interesting and I wanted to make those pom-pom clips that I have, but I don't know, they're kind of weird. We'll see if I manage to make something. Let's open this one from 42 Lolita. So this is the dress for my friend. I'm not going to open it. It's from Miss Point, but it's actually super pretty. I really like the texture of the fabric. Very nice. I did not know about this brand until she told me about. So it's a Taobao brand. And we got a gift. 2 clips that are lavender. Thank you so much, 42 Lolita. Those are my 2 things. And I was not sure about the color of the mint cardigan. And I think that I'm actually super happy. It's the cardigan from Little Dipper. Apparently it's a very nice cardigan. It will also be perfect for my witch coordinate from the game Hello Kitty Island Adventure on my gaming channel. Oh no! So the pin is actually broken. And they put me another one. Okay, interesting. Anyways, there's a extra bow if I want. And this. Actually, I have only one sweater from AP, I think, in mint. And I think I needed more options of overwear. Can you see that? Outerwear in mint. My god, that's a very nice mint and it fits. Oh wow. Oh, it's so comfortable. This is how it looks. It is so pretty and so comfy. So this is like cotton knit, I think. I don't know if it's exactly cotton, but I mean it's not wool or something. So it's not that warm, especially because it also has some of the holes and it has cherry shaped holes. So it's good for mid-season, not necessarily to be super warm in winter, but I still think it's perfect and I think it's absolutely perfect for my other coordinates. So we'll look at that later. So honestly, this cardigan is so perfect. The shape is adorable. I really like the sleeves and here it's really nice. And it's so soft and it's absolutely perfect. The size is amazing. I'm so happy. This is going to be my new favorite cardigan. And the next one, okay, they actually put it in a bag that says My Melody from Sanrio. It's kind of interesting because it's supposed to be a new item and it's packaged like if it's something that I would have bought secondhand. I mean, I do not mind this My Melody bag, but from Miniso. But I'm surprised to see that from a real shop. I don't know if it's somebody's shampoo or has it been washed or something, but this looks so pretty and soft. Anyways, It does look new. I don't know if it is. This would look so cute as a My Melody Lolita version. It can go with other Lolita coordinates, but also to look like My Melody, so that's why I was surprised about the My Melody package. I have this official Sanrio My Melody thing that I bought from Blippo. You can find the link in the description also. But this is more like cosplay or costume, and this is more like Lolita, so I'm happy that I have now two options. But also My Sweet Piano has ears kind of like that, so maybe I can also do a My Sweet Piano coordinate. I'm so happy actually. While we are talking about Sanrio, let's look at this one. See, when you buy things second hand, that's how you get it. So this is from Lace Market. It is an official Sanrio Lolita dress. For My Melody also, the print is gorgeous. I'm trying to find a label. I am very worried because there are no labels anywhere. Is it a replica? I mean, the quality is good, not the best, but I have no idea what the quality is supposed to look like. It says My Melody, a sweet smile, a pretty melody. Is it a replica? I need to get back to you on that. Anyways, first of all, I was researching Sanrio Lolita dresses, and to be honest, that was one of the most amazing. Like, the print is really, really gorgeous and really a real Lolita print with a lot of details and everything. And it's not just let's put a few characters everywhere in an all-over print, which is most of the cases. And I'm so happy to own it. It looks kind of big. Okay, it also has a lot of stains. Tiny stains, but many. So it has some shirring, but it's not that stretchy. I think it will just pass or just not. But I wanted to have it because it's so gorgeous. Just as the collection, because I fell in love with this dress online. So I'm happy I got it. But let's see if it works and I fit. I cannot close it. It's way open. And already here, it's kind of tight here. So even if I can close it, it will still be too tight to wear. But it's gorgeous. So I might keep it to put on my mannequin, maybe. And I would never be able to stream in that because I need to be so comfortable sitting, and it's not the case. So I don't know what to do. And also I'm not sure yet if it's a replica or not. Let me find that and write something somewhere in this video because I need to investigate. So now let's open this. I could not find it anywhere else than Devil Inspired, and at that point I did not know about 42 Lolita that would do a buy for me, so I would totally do that now in the future than buying directly from Devil Inspired. This is the bonnet. This is a bow, and this is the dress. Oh my god, it's so heavy. I would say it's a Rococo inspired Lolita dress. Oh my god, it's an assemble it yourself dress. I have tons of flowers, like tons of flowers to do it myself. But this fabric is gorgeous. Whoa, okay, so it needs a lot of steaming and a lot of assembly. I feel that the ending is not the most pretty. You can see it's a cheap dress because the ruffles are ended. It's just the zigzag stitch there instead of folding or something like that. So this is the way of doing it, a little bit cheap, but other than that, it looks like a great dress. And it has many accessories. Oh, it has a lot of flowers already, and I need to add more. Wow. And there's lacing on the back. Here I have tons of bows and flowers, some of them without an attach. Yay. Okay. It comes from Kawaii Lolita. I had never seen that brand. My friend Marianne had a huge dress like that is blue and red for like Snow White, and I was like, oh my god, this dress is so gorgeous, but definitely not my colors. And then I think it's her who showed me this dress and said, this is your color, this is your style. And I've actually never worn a dress like that. I was dreaming about another one like that is actually a little bit too small for me, so it would never fit. I think this one fits. I hope. I think it has a lot of shirring. Oh yeah, so much shirring. So it should be comfortable. Let's see. And those things here are fully detachable, so if I don't want them, so it crosses on the back, but you can remove them. Like all of these bows here, they're all detachable. Also the pearls are clipped. Yeah, all of this is detachable. So this is great. Oh, this is very pretty. This is not detachable. This is sewn on, but this is gorgeous. Oh my god, I'm so looking forward to wear this dress. But then I need to wear that at an opulent tea party. Like I cannot just go to the park with that. I mean, why not? But oh, what about the Christmas? Okay, so the flowers have a lot of glue web, but this is the size of the bow. Okay, next to my head. So this is huge. So this was extra, but not that much. Like maybe I would say less than 20 bucks or something like that to have that. There's a lot of glue, which is weird because you could have sewn that. Anyways, some pieces are sewn, some are glued. So you put that in the back, I guess. Like you have the dress like that and you put that here, so wow. Okay, so maybe if you're driving, this is not the most comfortable. And also it has only one pin here, and I would have put some on the side so it doesn't flip, but also it's a very big one. So maybe I would do many in and out to just be sure it goes tight. And the whole bow is actually super straight and not easily floppy, so maybe it should work. This is amazing. And I also took the bonnet. Wow, oh my god. This is a half bonnet. This is how it looks on the back. And it has metal at the top, so I think we can make a nice shape. And it has clips here also. Also, this is a nice matte ribbon, like satin but matte ribbon. Very nice, very good quality. And here actually the ruffle is better because it's two-sided, but apparently, I don't know if you see, there's the mark of the fold on the back and it's not at the top. Yeah, it's on the outside, so we don't really care, but I can also steam it. And it looked small, but it's actually huge. Oh my god. And maybe this would look more pretty with the longer hair. Yay! Oh my god. I'm looking forward to wearing that. This is a little bit much compared to me these days, since I'm wearing Lolita daily. I'm like more on the comfort side, and this is definitely huge. The good news is that it fits. I don't know, bad news, maybe not for you, is that there's a lot of cleavage. So I'm really not used to show that much cleavage lately, so maybe I'll have something over to cover, we'll see. But there's something kind of weird. It's here. Maybe it's supposed to have, you know, those kind of pannier, like some kind of petticoat or crinoline that are straight this way and not round to hold it like that or something. But try to look at stock pictures and it's kind of weird. It just falls like that, and it makes no sense because it's like, see, it's like tighter here with lace and then this thing falling on top, and it's sewn. It's not like it's detachable or anything. I honestly don't know what to do with that. It's so ugly, I cannot do anything. Thinking about cutting some part of it and making it just an overlay somehow, but like that as is, it makes no sense at all. But it's a huge dress. So I had my huge crinoline that usually it's too long and too big for most dresses, and it's perfect for this one. So the dress is still a little bit longer. There is some lining to hide the pink part from the white and transparent part here. You can kind of still see it through. Also, this is where you see it's a Tobo dress. So why would you put the sewing, like the seam of the lining, right at the front where you have a transparent part? This is the most ridiculous thing ever. So I don't know if you can see, but it's very visible here in the middle. You had all this way here to hide the seam. Especially, usually you put it on the back, not straight in the middle when you have a transparent fabric. For some reason, Tobo dresses are made cheaper than the big brands, and they don't think of details like that, and it makes me crazy. It should even be even more poofed. If I could add more poof to my crinoline, because this dress can definitely accommodate more poof. Can you believe it? My Aura and Ariel normal petticoat will not do, but that I'm still not sure what to do with this. But this is gorgeous, and I still have tons of other decoration that I can put over here, but I was too lazy to do it now. now. I think it's gorgeous. I still think it's gorgeous. Maybe I can add some of the bows here, make it really fancy, and I think it's amazing, except for these things on the side. I don't know what to do with it, but the bonnet and the rest is great. Yeah, so the last package is from YesStyle, and it's a collab. We're doing a capsule wardrobe from YesStyle, so I think you want to look at that and click over there to see it when it's there. Bye bye!